Hello everyone. Everyone wants to join Abacus and Vedic Maths classes these days. But do you know why you should join these classes and what are the benefits of Abacus and Vedic Maths courses and why you should join Brainathon? So I'm Pallavi Agrawal, founder director of Brainathon Abacus Academy. I'm going to answer all these questions today. So first of all, we will talk about the benefits of Abacus and Vedic Maths. So, with Abacus, first of all, child starts calculating in mind. He becomes very pro in calculation in terms of speed and accuracy. So, when this happens, the phobia of maths is removed. And when he starts imagining the abacus tool in the mind, then the concentration and focus is improved. So that does not improve only in maths, in overall all the subjects concentration and focus is improved, and this results in the improved confidence in the child. Memory is enhanced because he is able to retain big calculations in mind. He starts solving the calculation part very faster than earlier. So this is how memory is enhanced. We work on left and right brain both. So it's a 360-degree brain development program, and we are creating a number smart generation. Now let's talk about Vedic Maths. So for Vedic Maths, there are shortcut methods and tricks of calculations which enhances the speed and accuracy in calculations and reduces the calculation time, which facilitates the critical thinking in the child, the confidence building, removes the phobia of maths, and child becomes very pro in calculation. Now let's talk about the age groups of both the courses. Abacus starts from 5+ years of age till 12 years, and Vedic Math starts from 12 years or class 6 onwards. Now let's talk about what benefits or what facilities you are getting in Brainathon. First of all, we are having very short batch sizes, 5 to 6 students maximum. Secondly, our teachers are very trained and experienced. They are professional teachers and they are kids friendly teachers. Our curriculum is very structured and customized as per the need of the student, and we are paying individual attention to each and every child because we are making small batches. All the doubts are cleared in the classes, and child is made comfortable in the classes. Child is competing globally or internationally because students from all over India and abroad, USA, UK, Europe and other countries are attending classes in Brainathon Abacus Academy. So your child is getting exposure of international or global level. We are having online classes. So classes are very structured, very customized, and we are working on the need based model. Means we are paying personalized attention to each and every child. Our teachers are working very hard to make the children comfortable. They are very kids friendly and experienced and trained teachers. So this is all about Brainathon. So join us and get all these benefits.